Margarita is a really tight balance of creamy, sweet, bright, herbal. That cocktail was inspired by a dish that we had in the dining room, which was mackerel with this really herbaceous green cordial. And rather than leaning into some of those green flavors, I wanted to do something to complement that. And so I was inspired by one of my favorite dishes, the Thai Tom Kha soup, which has a coconut base, often has lots of fresh herbs in it. So I was using those elements within the dish to bring some of those herbaceous notes out. Tequila, of course, fresh lime juice, and then the syrup is really what's the star of the show. It is made from lime leaf, lemongrass, turmeric, ginger, so it's really aromatic and delicious. Good afternoon, y'all. My name is Alexandria Bowler. I'm here at Emeril's for the Swizzle Stick in Louisiana Cookin', and today we are going to be making a Tom Kha soup inspired margarita. So of course the base of that is going to be some fresh coconut milk, and then lime juice, and the star of this show is this Tom Kha syrup, which is made from lemongrass, lime leaf, turmeric, ginger. It's very aromatic. And of course, no margarita is complete without a little bit of tequila. We're elevating the Thai flavors with some Thai basil, of course. Accenting those fresh lime flavors. Cheers. I would say the syrup is the most important part of that, and I'm using all fresh rather than powdered, for example, of the key ingredients like turmeric and ginger, fresh lime leaf as opposed to dried or frozen. That's really going to help those elements to pop and be really bright. We are also using a Blanco tequila. I'm using Terramana. This is an additive-free single distillery. This is the only product that they make, so this is their key focus. Fresh juice, of course, key with every good drink. Coconut milk, I would say this is does have a tip to it, which is to be sure that you're taking the coconut milk out of the can and getting any of the fatty parts emulsified all together, and that way it's not coming out in chunky bits, or then you have like the separation of the coconut water and the fat, for example. So I make sure that's mixed together beforehand. And of course, a squeeze bottle does make that easier.